Every once in a while, something comes along that completely changes how online business works. In 2014, ClickFunnels changed the game for how we build funnels. And now in 2025, we are standing at the next big shift. It's called OfferLab, and it's the future of how people like you and me will sell, collaborate, and earn money online. And for the first time ever, you can start making money from OfferLab for free. No purchase required, no subscription, no monthly fee. This is basically free money for everybody. I put the link down below so you can get your free OfferLab account today. So what makes it so different? Well, imagine never having to build everything from scratch again. Imagine plugging into a marketplace where creators, affiliates, and funnel builders all work together instead of competing. And here's the kicker. Just for creating your free OfferLab account, you lock in lifetime referral royalties and open up a dozen different ways to get paid. And that's what I'm going to break down for you in the next couple minutes. And let's be real, for the last decade, entrepreneurs have been stuck in silos, each of us building our own funnels, selling to our own audiences, wrestling with tech, payouts, and partnerships. It created three big problems. Number one, limited reach. Your offer only gets seen by your audience. Number two, low order values. You only focus on one funnel, one offer, and you only had one shot. Number three, messy affiliate payouts. Who owes who, when, and how much? Sound familiar? That's why Russell Brunson and his team built OfferLab. It's the first platform where we can sell together instead of alone. Instead of isolated funnels, you can now bundle multiple offers from different product vendors into one checkout process. And you can do this for free. OfferLab will split revenue automatically and you get paid in real time. It's not just another tool, it's a complete ecosystem. So here's how it works. Number one, click down below to get your free OfferLab account. And when you do that, you'll be invited to join our OfferLab school community and you will get two amazing bonuses immediately, okay? So let me show you. The first bonus you're gonna get is affiliate swipe files, okay? All the marketing materials have been done already for you. You simply take it and promote it, all right? So here, once you join our school community, you can have access to these affiliate swipe files from Doc, okay? Another second bonus you're gonna get is this custom built super affiliate GPT. So simply import this into your ChatGPT account, then you can use this to run your marketing campaign. Super powerful, all right? Number two, if you have an offer, add your offer to OfferLab. Import your product from ClickFunnels, Shopify, Go High Level, Patreon, or anywhere. Immediately put your offer in front of Russell Brunson's affiliate army. Number three, if you are an affiliate, browse the marketplace. Thousands of high converting offers ready for you to promote. Number four, you can bundle all your favorite products into one super funnel in less than 60 seconds. You can create a super funnel with front-end offers, order bumps, upsells, even other people's products. Number five, you simply publish and promote. Send all traffic to your one checkout page. Number six, automated revenue splits. Every creator, every affiliate, every funnel builder gets paid instantly and fairly. That's it, all right? Simple, seamless, and scalable. And there are multiple ways for you to make money inside OfferLab. Number one, as an affiliate, you promote the platform, earn commissions instantly. For example, okay, couple ways to do this. Number one, you make 100% commissions on the $497 certification upgrade. OfferLab, they have optional upgrade. When people upgrade through you, you make 100% commissions. Number two, you also make commissions from promoting other people's offers, from 40% commissions to all the way up to 100% commissions, okay? Number three, this one is crazy. You are also making lifetime referral royalties from 0.5% to 2%. Every time your referrals sell anything, yes, you get paid forever on their transactions. Okay, so number one way to make money is to be as an affiliate. Number two, what if you are a course creator? You can list your offers, others promote for you. You reach audiences you could never touch alone. All right. Number three, you can just be a broker. All right, without selling anything at all. You bring in other people's onto OfferLab platform, whether they are affiliates, whether they are course creators. Every time they earn, you get paid royalties too, without you selling anything by yourself. Number four, as a funnel builder, you can use this OfferLab marketplace to stack irresistible funnels and profit from every sale inside. And here's the crazy part. You don't even need your own product to start. You don't even need to spend a single dollar to start. You can open your free account today, grab proven offers already inside, and start earning money as an affiliate immediately. Now, if you are thinking, is this really going to be big? Remember this. When Russell Brunson launched ClickFunnels, it paid out over $200 million in affiliate commissions, and that was just one platform. OfferLab is his biggest launch since then, and it's built to be even bigger. Early movers are the ones who win. The affiliates who joined ClickFunnels early, many became millionaires. History is repeating itself right now. So here's what you need to do right now. Click the link down below or somewhere around this video. Create your free OfferLab account. It takes less than 60 seconds. When you do, you'll get your affiliate link immediately. You'll start earning 100% commissions on OfferLab certification upgrades. You'll lock in lifetime royalties on every referral. So don't wait. Every day you delay, someone else is recruiting the people who could be your lifetime referrals. This is a once-in-a-decade chance. So don't just watch it happen. Be part of it. Click the link down below, create your free OfferLab account, and I'll see you inside OfferLab.